Welcome to the training video for overrides. We'll start by selecting a school, select New School, enter the school code, tab. We see that the school we're adding to our array requires an override. Anybody with less than 2 years. Next, we'll go to the override index. You may want to click on the question mark. That will help you understand the process. The message says the system completes calculations based upon the assumption that salary scales are predominantly balanced and consistent. However, there are a few scales with inherent inconsistencies. The index override system is designed to address these inconsistencies by allowing the user to manually override indexes for the few affected staff. The scale comments will inform the user of the need to select index override. Overrides are only used for salary scales which have inconsistencies built into them. Users will be directed to clear the index override during the final stage of a comparability calculation. Failure to clear indexes will cause the overrides to be inadvertently used in the next calculation. It's a good explanation of why the program behaves the way it does. We'll click on Override Index. I have a copy of the salary scale for this school in front of me. You will need to do the same. I would suggest going through the global file, find each school you want to add to your array, and the global file will show you scale comments at the bottom. And if you see in scale comments, oh, there's going to be an override, but I really want this school in my array, you'll need to get the salary schedule for each school that has an override needed. You can call the Nebraska Association of School Boards, and we will gladly make copies and send those salary schedules to you. Okay. We need to find which members of the staff need to have an override. Everybody with less than 2 years, and I can see quickly that nobody in my staff has less than 2 years, so we're going to continue local calculations. Continue calculations process. Calculate. Okay. Okay, we've added them to the array. Index check. Print out the index check or salary and benefits. Go to index storage layout. Save this school. And return to calculate comparability. The step to clear index overrides. Show schools only. Back to number 1. Select new school. Tab. They have a consistent scale, but we still need to override any teacher over a BA with credits more than 44. So I have the salary schedule for that school in front of me, and I'm going to the override index. BA more than 44. One way to find out which teachers need to have this override is to do a find. You hit Control F, and that's on a PC. Fill in BA. And you can use the symbols over here. Greater than 44. Find. I didn't have any staff that met those requirements. So I'll go on to continue calculations process. Okay, the next step is index check. storage layout, return to calculate comparability. Clear index overrides if we had to do any. Show schools only, brings your array back to the top. Now we're going to number 1 again, select comp school, new school, tab. This set of comments says MA plus 0 with years less than 12. So we'll do an override index, Control F, MA, 0 hours beyond, years experience, less than 12. Do a find. Did not have any teachers that fit those requirements. If I had, I would need to go through the staff that would be found and click in here, yes, fill in the override index that would have needed to be for that school by looking at their salary schedule, going to the MA plus 0 column with the years less than 12. Enter that index and continue. Index check, print that out, or salary and benefits, go to index storage layout, save, and return to calculate comparability. A lot of the override scale comments sound more detailed than they really are. Once you get to that, you do a find for the teachers that fit those circumstances. You look on the salary schedule, you find the correct index, fill it in, and go on. It shouldn't be something to be concerned about. It takes a little bit more time than you hope for possibly, but overall it's just another step to take care of, and you're sure you're getting an accurate total when you're done. If you have any questions about the override index, about the process, or other things you might need help with concerning overrides, please give me a call in Nebraska Association of School Boards, 800-422-4572. Thank you.